Hi, today I'm producing Oppo A77 and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. So to hide some applications from your home screen, you should first open the settings and then scroll to the privacy section. Click here to hide apps and just, for example, let's hide the booking application. Click on the switcher to hide it, and now we should set a privacy password first. So click to the settings. We could use here the 6 digits password or to use the different password type, this 4 digits pattern and another ones. I will use the pattern. So now we should add the security question answer. You could change it if you want. You could use your custom question. So for example, let's answer, tap to OK in the right upper corner, and now we should set the access code because then after the hiding our applications, by enter our access code on the dial pad, we will access the hidden apps. So click to the settings, and now let's click here. Here's the hash key that should be started with the hash key and the add with the hash key. So 1 2 3 4, tap to OK and click here to done. So now we could hide another applications by the same way. Just click to the switchers. We could find them here in hidden. Also we could unhide them by the same way. And to find your hidden photos from here, open the phone app, open the dial pad, enter your access code, and now we can see our hidden applications. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.